Hi, this is Mark Sarazano from the International Piano Technician School, and I want to introduce you to Barry Bradshaw. Barry Bradshaw is a piano technician with 51 years experience. He was 16 years as a quality control manager for Baldwin Piano Company, and in that time he's figured out a way to make more money tuning pianos. Now, I thought I knew how to make money tuning pianos because I've been doing it for a while, but when I read his book, I was amazed at the things that he came up with, the ideas that he came up with that immediately got me earning more money. So I wanted to present his information to other piano technicians, and so we got together and we made this website. How to Earn $200,000 a Year Tuning Pianos is the name of his book, and this is our website, earn200ktuningpianos.com. On the About page, you can see a little bit about us, and if we go to the home page, there's a little bit of information there. I just want to give you a tour of this website so you can see what it has in it. So you can get a free chapter from his book, and there's a book review by the Piano Technician's Journal. There's some testimonials of people, of course I'm on there, other people who have bought his book. And if you go to the free resources, you can get a lot of free things. The 6 income streams. Now, piano tuning is the main income stream, but people don't realize that it is the lowest wage activity that piano tuners do. These other 5 income streams will make you more money per hour. So get this free PDF. It'll tell you what those are. Here's another opportunity to get the free chapter. We're in the process of creating a video course. There's 12 chapters in the book. Here's the highlights of chapters 1 and 2, and then 3, 4, and 5, and 6. So we've created these highlight videos for you to see. You just enter your name and address, and we will send you the link to watch these videos for free and just get an idea of what is in those videos. When we started doing this, it was a lot of work. So we decided, hey, why don't we let people get access to this video course at a discount just to see if people are interested. I mean, obviously, being able to make more money tuning pianos with a method that works sounds like it would be something that people would be interested in, but piano tuning is a very interesting, mysterious trade. We don't know if people would be interested in this or not. He's been able to sell his books, but this is a video course, so we don't know. So that's why we're giving the special early bird discount. This is only until Wednesday, January 22nd at midnight. In that time, we're going to find out who's interested in this, who thinks this is important, who wants to know this information. So if you're interested, you can click on this link. It comes here, and it tells you about the course, who Barry is, why we think this is a good idea. There's testimonials here. This is what you get, complete access to all the chapter videos, stories, and comments that are not in the book. He's got a secret formula for hammer hardener, and you will get access to any future videos, including step-by-step voicing, the Baldwin way, piano cleaning procedures, easy regulation, etc. Also, there's a bonus chapter at the end of the 12 chapters, and any future videos that come into this course you will get access to. Also, this is a special offer that we're giving. If you sign up before Wednesday, January 22nd at midnight, you will be part of a special private Zoom meeting with Barry where he will share his secrets to making $200,000 a year and take all of your questions about piano tuning, how to make money, how to do it, how to repair pianos, voicing, all of that stuff. Only for people who sign up for this early bird special offer. When you click on any of these buttons, you'll be taken to PayPal where you can sign up for $297 instead of the $497, which will be the price of this video course after it's finished. That's it. So check out the website. It's earn200ktuningpianos.com, and we hope that you find this interesting. We hope that it's something that you want to learn how to do and learn how to do better. Thanks for watching.